Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews and all that other jazz. So in today's video, I'm actually going to give you guys a review on one of the new hair extensions I received in PR. This one from a brand called Full Shine Hair Extensions, and these are 100% human hair clip-in extensions, tape-in extensions. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you guys how I created this beautiful look using Full Shine clip-in extensions. And if you want to see how I created this look, just carry on watching the video. However, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. And yeah, let's just not waste any more time and get into the tutorial so I can give you all the tea what these are like and how I created this whole look. So yeah, thank you for watching. Love you all. Take care. Bye. So as mentioned in the introduction, we are going to use today a new hair extensions. This one from a brand called Full Shine. Absolutely amazing hair extensions. Once again, it's 100% human hair, and they were really kind enough to send me their clip-in extensions and also their tape-in extensions. I don't tend to use the tape-in extensions a lot, especially in my own natural hair, just because my hair is very thick. I really don't need tape-in extensions. But what you can do is, if you have a clip-in extensions, you can connect your tape-in extension with your clipping and extensions to add more weight, to more like a thickness. But today I'm actually going to go ahead and apply the clip-in extensions, and I'm going to show you a hairstyle I'm just about to do using these clip-in extensions. So the extensions look like this. The one I have is a 22-inch and it's 120 gram, and the tape-in extension they send me is 18 highlighted, well 18-inch long highlighted in shade 613. This one, the clip-in extensions, is, I don't have the paper right now in front of me, but I'll write down all the description in the description box below. I'm not going to, there are 7 pieces with the clip-in extensions, but I'm not going to use all 7 pieces because I only want to add a bit of a length in my hair today instead of like a lot of weight. So I'm just going to use 1, 2, 3. Probably I'll just use the 3 long ones, and that's about it. I might even cut them a little bit just to like make it a slightly shorter, but I don't know yet. But if you want to see how I apply my clip-in extensions, just check out my previous videos where I showed you my clip-in extensions, how I clip them on. But first thing I'm going to do is, my hair is slightly like couple of days old wash. My hair is slightly greasy, so just to add a little bit more volume and texture, I'm just gonna put some texture spray in my hair, and I'm using my R&Co balloon dry volume spray. I quite like this one. It adds a volume and it kind of works like a dry shampoo at the same time. So I'm just gonna spray this a little bit. Basically I'm gonna do it at the front part of my hair instead of everywhere, because just want to add a little bit volume around my crown and everything. 1 3 clip-in extension and 1 2 clip-in extensions. So as you can see, you can just pop the clip out and then you pop it in and then just push it back in. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these. Okay, so we have all the extensions in my hair now. I'm just going to quickly turn around so I can show you how it's looking from the back. And you can see yourself, it has added a lot of length in my hair. So now I'm going to let go of the top part and just going to let it blend. So this is how the extensions is looking now. And now I'm going to go ahead and comb my hair. And this is the step where you want to be slightly gentle, because you don't want to pull your extensions out. And I'm going to put my hair in like a ponytail form. So I'm going to try to do it as gently as I can and as smoothly as I can. Okay. Right. This is looking good. Because I'm gonna go back with a bit of a hairspray and some gel and everything, so I can always fix my flybys. So at this point I have some of my hair in a ponytail, and I'm just taking a small amount of hair close to my ear. I'm gonna leave that out. Just don't put these in a extension. Don't put these hair in a ponytail. Just gonna leave them out on the side. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with these. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and make a ponytail. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking small strands just like this. I'm gonna brush each and every single one and put some curls in my ponytail. Just waiting. Okay, I'm actually gonna use my hair straightener because kind of like the look it gives me if I do my curls like this way. I'm showing you how easy it is to style these extensions as well, so you can very easily put the curls or whatever you want to do with them. Once I have the curls on, my ponytail is looking something like this. I'm gonna take a teasing comb and just tease out comb. I'm just gonna push it a little bit to add a little bit more volume into my ponytail, small amount. Okay, now make sure you keep this hair completely separate. Okay, so now I have my ponytail teased, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put these hair into like a messy bun kind of look. Remember this hair we left on the side? I'm just gonna put them into a braid, like a simple braid. Take this braid around the bun and pin it right at the back. So I absolutely love these hair extensions, and I really highly recommend you guys to check out Full Shine extensions because I'm 100% sure you're gonna absolutely love it. I will write down all the description, all the product information, everything in the description box below, so you make sure you do check out the description box if you're interested. And I will also add the link to my Amazon shop link as well, so if you can't find it through that link, you can always find it through my Amazon shop link. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, there will be a lot of more new things coming, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all, take care.